LinkedIn is rolling out a new feature that will eliminate the need for platforms like Calendly. Now, this is currently available to only premium business profile owners. I don't have the feature yet, but I thought I would review it and share the information with you. So let's get started. Let me share my screen. And while I'm doing that, let me introduce myself. My name is Naina Kaputi. I am a LinkedIn coach and consultant, and I'm also the founder of the Expat Woman. All right. So let's read more about the advice sessions for premium subscribers. This is for your personal profile. Okay. Hosting an advice session is currently limited to invited LinkedIn premium business subscribers in the United States. Bookers don't need premium, but they must have a verified profile and be in the United States to book. So currently it's only being rolled out to invited LinkedIn Premium Business subscribers. I haven't got an invitation. I am a LinkedIn Premium Business subscriber, and you have to have a verified profile, I guess. I'm not sure if you host an advice session if you need a verified profile, but if you want to book an advice session, you have to have a verified profile, and currently you have to live in the United States. So, advice sessions let select premium business subscribers offer paid advisory sessions directly from their LinkedIn profile, and bookers or clients can book time, pay securely, and join a scheduled session using integrated calendar and payment tools. So, those of you who are hosting an advice session on your profile must complete required onboarding, including Stripe setup. So, you have to have a Stripe account before their booking button is visible. What hosts can do? So, they can add a paid advisory session to their profile. They can define meeting details such as duration and price. You can charge up to $500. Allow bookers or clients to book time within a 30-day window, accept payments securely through Stripe, receive appointment confirmations and calendar invites, and also manage cancellations. So if you use Calendly or another booking platform, it's very similar, but I think the advantage here is if you have a Calendly link on your LinkedIn profile, whether in your contact information, in your about section, people often get distracted. They click on the Calendly link, they have to open a new tab, and then sometimes they don't complete the process, so they never hire you. But when it's on your LinkedIn profile, they click it and it takes them directly to the payment button and the calendar. They select the date and time they want, and then they get a notification, you get a notification. So I think it's eliminating the middleman if you're using your LinkedIn profile to have people hire you for your services. Hosts must set general recurring availability. For example, Mondays, Tuesdays, Fridays from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. You can't have single day or one off times cannot be set. So if you're doing like a one-time coaching session, you won't be able to set that up on this LinkedIn advice sessions. What bookers or clients can do, they can select an available meeting time, pay instantly using Stripe checkout, including Apple Pay, receive a confirmation and calendar invite automatically. And then payments are processed by Stripe. Payouts are delayed by 30 days to support resolution. And then there's some FAQ for advice sessions for premium subscribers. So let's look at that. So yes, being rolled out. I did apply to be a LinkedIn. Yeah, you can still see my tag. I did apply to be one of these LinkedIn Premium Business subscribers that can use advice sessions, but they haven't given it to me yet. So advice sessions are commonly used for career path and transition guidance, job search strategy, and interview preparation, industry or role specific expertise, feedback on your work, resume, or professional positioning. So I would use it for my LinkedIn coaching because I do have Calendly mainly for the services I provide for people who want to use LinkedIn. And then it says, how can you can cancel the advice session you booked. Um, what should I do if the host doesn't show up or the session is canceled? So this, I'm not going to really look into these right now because I don't have the advice session. I don't think you have it yet. If you do, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one of the LinkedIn product managers. Let me see if I can find it. I know there's a LinkedIn product manager that was showcasing how the advice session works. But before we do that, we can look at my profile and see if I've received the advice session yet, because they said it will be at the bottom. So I have the custom button, but I don't have the advice session yet. Let me pull that up very quickly, um, and show you this advice session demo. Okay, give me 1 second. I have to find the product. I think it's a product manager at LinkedIn. Okay, so I'm going to share it to you in a second. Sorry for that. I thought I'd opened the tab, but I hadn't. Okay. All right. So yeah, VP product management. So she's showing us how to set up an advice session. It's a demo of someone's LinkedIn profile that does have the one-on-one advice section. Let's So yeah, it's going very quickly. So you can see if someone wants to book the advice session, she charges $80 for 30 minutes, and then the person can select the date and the time, get advice from this person. Then you click the pay button, and then you get this message saying your session is booked. So they're not showing us how to set it up, but they're showing us how you can get advice from someone, and you can see the availability here. And it's I guess I it says Google Meet. I'm assuming you could also maybe use Zoom or something like that. Gives you those options. So you can see get advice from me at the bottom of her introductory card below her headline. So I hopefully at some point will get this advice section or advice feature, and then I'll do another video to show you how I'm setting it up, let you know if it's been working, how whether I'm happy with it, etc. But one important thing I do want to add is, if you are going to get use this feature, if you're going to get LinkedIn Premium and you're going to use this feature, make sure that your LinkedIn profile is updated and complete, because that's the first thing people are going to look at. If they're going to hire you, they're going to look at your profile, and if your profile doesn't showcase what you do, who you help, what problem you solve for them, they're not likely to click on the advice section. So it's no point having the advice session button on your profile if people have no clue what you do. So if you need help with optimizing your LinkedIn profile, I do offer one-on-one coaching services. The link to how you can work with me is in the description. I also have a LinkedIn profile update and optimization checklist. I'll share that link as well. And my next video suggestion for you is how to use LinkedIn Premium to elevate your company page. I did a review of the features. I currently have LinkedIn Premium, so check out the video above. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Bye.